Brain Smart Kids.
Learn letter R. Its sound and learning sentences for the words.
R says roo, roo, roo.
Rabbit. The rabbit hopped happily through the green meadow.
Rainbow.
After the rain, a beautiful rainbow lit up the sky. Robot. The shiny robot beeped and buzzed as it danced around the room. Rocket. The rocket blasted off into space, zooming past the stars. Rose. The red rose bloomed in the garden, smelling sweet as can be. River. The river flowed gently, carrying leaves on its surface. Raccoon. A curious raccoon peeked out from behind a tree. Ring. The shiny ring sparkled in the sunlight. Rope. They used a long rope to swing across the stream. Rock. The rock skipped across the water, making ripples as it went. Rain. The gentle rain made everything fresh and green. Road. The long road led them to new adventures. Rug. They rolled out the soft rug to play on. Red. The bright red apple was ready to be picked.
Thank you for watching, girls and boys. Like and subscribe to become a Brain Smart Kid. Letter S coming soon. Be ready. See you tomorrow.